In this video, I'm going to show you how AI can help you perform technical analysis and make more informed trading decisions. Whether you're a trader or investors, by the end of this video, you'll see how tools like AI Screener can completely change how you read charts. Let's dive in. Now here I'm on a technical chart. As a technical trader, you would like to see where the breakout is happening, or you can add your favorite indicators where you will be placing on a chart and then makes decisions based on those indicators. Now in this chart, I can see that the price is crossing over the moving average. This is a 20 and 50 moving average. You can add more indicators as you are familiar with on your technical chart. There's a decent volume getting picked up. As a trader, you will now make a decision that this chart is possibly crossing over the moving average. It's crossing the resistance line, and you would like to place a trade here. Now, here's the catch. Most of the time, you will see that this is a crossover is happening, although the resistance is breaking out. There is a support level test is also confirming the trade. Then what happens? The trade actually does just the opposite that you expected. As a trader, you have seen this many times, not just on one chart, in multiple occasions, that the technical indicators is always misleading. Sometimes you end up in few winning trades as compared to more losing trades, and then your risk reward portfolio comes into play. Now let's deep dive into how the same chart can be analyzed through AI, and if we can get any better informed decision through it. Here we are looking at this chart of 7 trans, which is listed on LSE. We are seeing that the chart has done its breakout. Now from its peak, it's trying to rebound back. The RSI has also come from its peak of 71. Now it's staying around 56, 58. It looks like it's trying to do a balance, and it may try to rebound from this point. Now this is what traders, whether they would like to take a trade at this point of time with all the indicators that is being available. And let's explore the same chart and plot it into an AI and check what AI gives you the result. ChatGPT. Let me take a print screen of this chart and try to plot this in ChatGPT and check what ChatGPT gives us. Now I've got a result from ChatGPT, and it's trying to tell me that the price is currently at 2740, which is just above the 20 days moving average. And at this level, the RSI is at 59, and RSI is trying to pull back from the overbought level, but is now rebounding upward. The key support is at 2740. Resistance is at the peak, and then what it is suggesting is holding above 2740. Now, the trading suggestion from ChatGPT is consider a buy at the dip near 2740, or where the price is at the moment, where it's trying to rebound back from the 20 moving average, and the target is around here with a stop loss of 2700. So it's about 40 point stop loss and a gain of about 60. Now, trading suggestions as suggested by the ChatGPT is if you're an aggressive traders, you would like to consider buying at this level with a target of 2820, which is about 80 points where you are now, and then a stop loss of about 2700, so 40 point stop loss. So that's a 2:1 ratio. And if you're a conservative trader, you will wait for the breakout at its peak. And then once the breakout is confirmed, then you would like to place a trade. Now here I am in AIonStocks. I can see that 7 trans is under the potential breakouts. I can see the chart, how the chart is currently at. And when I'm looking at the indicators that AI is throwing at me, I can see the final score is 80, which is relatively high. Now this final score is considering because the technical score, which is the score of the moving average, RSI, all other technical indicators brings up a technical score. The final score usually is lower than the technical score because it is not just looking at the technical indicators. It is also looking at what is the risk reward ratios for this particular stock if it has to break its peak. And then what is the volume ratio, which means there is a 0.83. It's not a great volume. Anything above 1 is considered volume which is building up for the stock. So this is a potential good stock, but let's look at the analysis which AIonStocks has done. Now, apart from the chart, the indicators, what it is saying, a confidence level of 81, the technical strength is high, risk reward ratio is 1.53. Now the entry level, what it is suggesting is 2847. What we see as compared to ChatGPT, it is taking the conservative entry level, which means it's only trying to take an entry when it's actually breaking the previous peak. Now, what I see is an entry level of 2847, which is a conservative entry level. When I'm going back to the chart, I can see that as the market is currently at 2740 range and it's trying to take an entry only when it's break the previous peak. Now you can see the chart tells you where the market is right now, but the AI stock screener brings more clarity on where it could be heading next. Combining both, and you are not just reacting to the market, you are trading with insights and with more confidence. Technology is changing the market, and AI is definitely the future of trading. To learn more about how AI can power your trading decisions, you visit our website, AIonStocks.com.